Installation preparation: 1 screwdriver, 1 USB to 485 interface, 1 parallel electric gripper, 1 wire stripper, 1 power box. Product wiring: 1. Find the red, black, yellow, and yellow-white wires. Use a wire stripper to strip the wires. Pay attention to the force applied. Do not cut the wires inside. 2. Find a single wire. Connect it to the 485 ground wire. Note: to prevent damage to the 485 module, the 485 ground wire must be connected. Connect the other end of the wire to the negative terminal of the power box. 3. Connect the red wire of the product to the positive terminal of the power box. Connect the black wire to the negative terminal of the power box. Connect the yellow wire to the TR positive terminal. Connect the yellow-white wire to the TR negative terminal. After wiring is completed, connect the USB interface to the computer. Wiring is complete. Modify points. Open Hitbot drive software. Enter values for position, speed, and current respectively. After importing, click Write and Write to device. Open the serial port. Reconnect and check if the writing was successful. Click Run to execute the corresponding actions. I/O point settings. Check I/O mode. Click on Point Setting. Save to device. Click Slave Search. Check if the writing was successful. Return to the device. Find the brown and brown-white wires. Control the gripper. Analog I/O signal. Connect each wire to the negative terminal of the power supply.